The active management through the eyes of the first-line performance management. The power of the operating system and process. First-line managers through the dynamic process. First-line managers apply the proactive management system and operating process in their daily practical experiences. They drive performance through the dynamic process of proactive management, applying the principles of the active management operating process, professional behavior and essential actions of the first-line manager, key tools used in proactive management and best practices by first-line managers. Active management operating principles. Implementing the active management operating principles allows first-line managers to navigate challenges effectively, lead execution, and cultivate a high-performing team. It involves assessing and aligning goals, monitoring and measuring performance, organizing the operating process, maximizing efficiency, identifying risks and contingency planning, optimizing resource utilization. Active management operating principles also involve effective communication and collaboration, establishing open lines of communication, adopting a culture of transparency, encouraging collaboration, increasing teamwork, problem-solving, creativity and innovation, building trust and team spirit, data collection and analysis, making informed decisions. Active management operating principles should involve even more: encouraging accountability, facilitating effective communication, real-time monitoring and reporting, customization and adaptability, empower first-line managers with performance visibility, objective performance evaluation. Emotional intelligence of first-line managers. Empowerment and delegation. First-line managers gain valuable insights, strategies, and practical tips to unleash their team's potential through empowering and delegating. The main elements of empowerment and delegation include developing emotional intelligence, developing self-awareness, encouraging innovation and creativity, promoting collaborative decision-making, leveraging technology and data. The power of emotional intelligence. Understanding emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence in first-line management significantly impacts performance management, empowerment and delegation, and the entire management operation process. Emotional intelligence focuses on the ability to identify, understand, and manage one's own emotions as well as the emotions of others. Building self-awareness. Self-awareness is the foundation of emotional intelligence. First-line managers must have a deep understanding of their own emotions, triggers, strengths, and weaknesses. By developing self-awareness, managers can effectively regulate their emotions and make better decisions, even in high-pressure situations. By being aware of their emotions and how they impact their behavior, managers can make conscious choices and avoid impulsive reactions. Self-awareness also enables managers to recognize how their emotions impact their teams, adopting a more positive and productive work environment. Cultivating empathy. Empathy involves comprehending and actively sharing the emotions experienced by others. For first-line managers, cultivating empathy is essential when dealing with diverse teams and the individual needs of team members. Developing empathy requires active listening, observing non-verbal cues, and considering different perspectives. Developing self-regulation. First-line managers face numerous challenges that can evoke strong emotions. Regulating and managing these emotions is crucial for maintaining professionalism and making the right decisions. Self-regulation involves techniques such as deep breathing, pausing before responding, and reframing negative thoughts. By practicing emotional self-control, managers can create a calm, supportive work environment that encourages open communication and collaboration. Mastering relationship management, social skills. Practical communication skills, including active listening, clarity, and adaptability, are essential. Moreover, solid social skills enable first-line managers to build strong connections, communicating effectively, resolve conflicts in a constructive manner, inspire teamwork. Applying emotional intelligence in performance management. Emotional intelligence plays a significant role in this process, enabling first-line managers to approach performance management with the following: empathy, fairness, and objectivity. Emotional intelligence helps first-line managers to provide constructive feedback, recognize individual strengths, and offer support to address development areas. Integrating emotional intelligence into the management operating process. Emotionally intelligent managers make better decisions, drive superior results, and navigate complex challenges. Emotions are fundamental to human behavior and effectively leverage teams to enhance productivity and conduct a positive work environment. Emotional intelligence influences every aspect of this process. Developing emotional intelligence as a first-line manager. First-line managers can cultivate emotional intelligence by self-reflecting, seeking feedback, and participating in relevant training programs, practicing mindfulness, emotional regulation techniques, and consistently striving to improve interpersonal skills. Thus, it can significantly enhance emotional intelligence over time.